Hello everyone, my name is Varian Harris, and today I will be presenting my Week 7 coding assignment. This week's focus is MySQL. Upon opening MySQL Workbench, first I created a schema named Projects. In order to create a new schema, right-click on this empty section and click Create Schema. Let's go back to Administration and click Users and Privileges. Here, I created a user named Projects and assigned it a password. Then we click on Schema Privileges. And here, I added all privileges except Grant Option. And once you click Apply, your schema will be fully established. Now, let's jump over to Eclipse and take a look at our Maven project. First up, we have our pom.xml file, which is saved in the project root directory. We began by creating a property section below the element version and set the value to 17 since that's the Java compiler version we have installed. After this, we added the MySQL driver connector J as a dependency in the dependencies section, which can be found over at mvnrepository.com. Then we added the build section, which tells Eclipse what compiler version to use when compiling the project. By adding the source and target sections, within the configuration element, we are able to reference the Java version we defined in the property section. We add a property reference by surrounding it with a $sign and curly braces. Then we created our project structure by adding some packages. In the projects.exception package, I created the class dbException that extends runtime exception in order to catch any unchecked exceptions. Then I created the dbConnection class. It contains the following constants: host, password, port, schema, and user, each set to the correct values. After this, I created a method to return a java.sql.connection object. If the connection is successful or fails, a corresponding message will display. Lastly, we created our main class, which I named Projects App, and a main method to call our dbConnection class and method to test that a connection to the MySQL server can be established. And we'll go ahead and run this. And as you can see, connection to schema projects is successful. So, as a recap, we created our schema and also connected our schema via our connection class. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Have a good one.